Welcome back to Bodycam Originals. Officers responded to a park after reports that an intoxicated woman had threatened family members during a disturbance. As officers worked to sort out conflicting accounts, the encounter quickly turned into a DWI investigation.
Courtney, turn off the car.
It's already off.
Okay.
What?
Hey, go find out over there what's going on.
May I find out why?
Yeah, you need a bike. Shit.
Yeah.
You want to step up? Come on out.
I drove.
You want to come this way for me?
Okay.
All the way, just, it's okay. You can just, it's okay. Go that way. Go that way.
It's a.
Go that way. 47. Go ahead and stand right here, ma'am. Go ahead and stand right here. Go ahead. You can face me, it's okay. I'm Officer Ruiz, I'm with the Farmington Police Department. The reason we're contacting you today, ma'am, is because we're called here for a possible fight. They said that a girl had some wrenches in her hand, was chasing someone with it.
I wasn't chasing. I was literally in my car.
This is the information
I saw a guy sitting next to children, and I thought it was uncomfy.
Okay. So that's just the information we got, okay? And then I approach you, there's an odor of alcohol coming from the car. Your eyes are watery, and then there's an open container in your door pocket. Okay?
Am I getting arrested
So,
for this?
what happened with the fight?
I literally pulled up. There was a guy sitting there with all the kids. I thought it was kind of creepy.
Okay?
Dealt with bad incidents before. I didn't know what the situation was.
Okay. And
I thought it was weird that a grown-ass guy was sitting there watching little kids play. That's literally all it was. And then he started coming at me, and I started screaming at him.
Did you guys see what happened?
Yeah, we pulled up, we parked here, we were parked here for, how long were we parked here? 10 minutes. Yeah, about 10, and my kids got off with my niece. They were playing over there, she pulls up.
She hit the curb?
Yeah, she hit the curb pretty hard.
Show me where she pulled up.
Just right next to this, right here next to the
In between?
Yeah, she's right here, yeah.
Okay.
And then she's all saying that on the street because I was watching my little nephews and my cousins and stuff. And while she was in the car, this truck right here.
Yeah.
And I said, what the heck? And she's like, pull up to next to someone that can't watch their own kids and all that stuff. And I didn't instigate nothing.
She was on the phone?
Oh yeah, it seemed like, I don't know if she's talking to radio or, I don't know. And then, yeah, and then I don't know where she pulled out there's iron wrenches and stuff. And I was like, dang. So I went around this way, I was like, what the heck, man? And then I came back this way, she got back in, she's like, no wonder why you made us don't exist in this world and all that stuff, you know? I was like, what the heck?
You guys don't exist?
That's what she said, like, well,
But yeah, you guys are here?
Yeah, so
okay.
we kept laughing, she's just all like, no wonder why this and that.
Okay. Did she threaten to hit anybody?
Yeah, just me. But,
And she tried fighting me too.
yeah, she's underage, and the reason why she got it is because she's over here, like, disrespecting me, and I didn't say nothing back to her, you know? And then she's over here like, no, what the heck?
And I was like, what are you?
She's calling me creep and all that, even though this is like my family right here, you know? We just came here to play volleyball.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir.
I didn't know that he was related to the family.
okay.
I had an open container that was from 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks. That was not from today. I've not drank today.
Why would someone call and say that there was a female chasing a male with a
I
wrench?
literally sat in my car the whole time. I don't know what they mean.
You never got off your car?
No. I never even opened my door. Oh, that's a lie. I opened my door to turn off my warning lights on the car.
Okay.
I never got out of my car.
Okay.
I did have a tire iron. I do have a baseball bat, and I do have mace in that driver door.
Okay.
I'm a small white female in a Navajo kind of situation in the area, so I do have mace.
Okay.
I have things to protect myself because I am not okay with having a
Did
gun.
you display any of those as a weapon at any point?
No.
Okay.
I told them I have a tire iron, but I never displayed it.
Okay.
I told him if he gets into my car, I'm gonna hit him with the tire iron because he got real close to my driver door.
Okay.
And I got kind of freaked out, so I did grab it, but I didn't show it. And like I said, I saw a male with a bunch of female kids. I got kind of concerned. I've dealt with a lot. I've been through a lot. I'm going through a lot. So I didn't trust him.
Okay.
And then he started trying to fight me, so I started trying to fight back.
Okay. What do you mean by that?
Yelling at him, cussing at him.
Do you have any relation to any of them?
No, I don't know any of these people. I just saw a weird man acting strange and like messing with his groin area with a whole bunch of kids in the area.
Okay.
So I found it kind of weird.
Okay. Oh, it was a verbal thing?
Yeah.
Did it get physical at any point?
No.
Did you push him off your car or anything?
No.
Did he push you into the car or try to get you out of the car?
No.
Okay.
It was literally just a verbal thing with me, like, hey, you're kind of being a piece. I didn't know he was related to the family.
And why didn't you call us?
I didn't take this as something serious. My dad slammed my head into a wall and I didn't think that was serious. I tend to fight, I tend to yell. I do not get actively involved. My therapist can tell you that.
As far as alcohol, how long ago was the last drink of alcohol?
This morning at like 3 a.m.
Okay. This morning at 3 a.m.?
Yeah.
What was it?
99, I think it was a cherry limeade. Why does that matter?
There's a cherry limeade, you said?
Yeah. Why does that matter?
That matters because of the open container that it's all inside of the vehicle, along with the watery eyes that you have. During the time we've been here, they got a little red.
I've been depressed. I always have watery eyes.
And I don't know that, right? I don't know you, obviously.
I'm always crying, that's why.
Okay. And then as far as your education, I know this sounds like a silly question. What's your highest level of education?
8th grade.
8th grade, okay. Do you know how to count from 1 to 100?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of, or yeah?
Yeah?
Okay. Do you know how to count from 100 to 1?
No, I don't know how to
Do you
do
know
it.
your ABCs from A to Z?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna do some tests, make sure that you're okay to drive, okay? Just based like I said, based off the alcohol that was in the car.
Even with the
Yeah, we got alternative.
broken
We got
leg?
alternative tests that don't require you to walk or
half
stand up.
broken leg
Yep.
and messed up hip.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Military.
There you
I'm sorry.
go. And then hands down to your side. To your side. There you go. All right, and don't move from that position until I tell you to do so. Okay.
Okay.
Now, do you wear contacts or glasses?
Nope.
Okay.
I wear glasses.
You wear glasses. What do you wear glasses for?
Everything.
Okay. How come you don't have them with you?
Because I look like a librarian.
Okay. All right. So I just need you to follow the tip of my finger using your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. Follow my finger. It's over here. Don't move your head.
Sorry, my bad.
Over here. My finger.
I can't see that far.
Ma'am, you're not even following it right now.
No, I can't. This is where my sight
Okay,
ends.
so you're not even looking up. You're literally looking. Your eyes are fixed on an object behind me.
I know.
Okay.
I can't see beyond
So
that.
just all right. For this next test, we're gonna do is gonna be a walk and turn test.
It was 9 turn around, right?
Just the way I instructed him, ma'am.
I can't remember the instructions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. I'm sorry. Bad knee. Can we change knees?
Keep going until I tell you to stop.
Yes, sir.
Keep your hands to your side. Okay, you can stop. Alrighty, ma'am. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
How many was that?
2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. 4 at least.
Okay, how many did I tell you to do?
4?
Okay, and are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty, ma'am. So at this time, you're gonna be placed under arrest for DWI.
Why? Why am I placed under arrest?
Ma'am, I just told you.
I literally did your test.
I know.
No. So why am I being placed under
You're
arrest?
being placed under arrest for DWI, ma'am.
Why?
Go ahead and go this way.
I literally did what you
Let's go
told
ahead.
me to
I know.
do.
I know you did.
So
ahead and go
then
this
why
way.
am I being arrested?
For a DWI.
No. If I literally
Ma'am, if you start
did,
pulling back, I'm going to charge you with resisting.
if I literally did what you said, why am I being under arrest?
Ma'am, you smell very strongly of alcohol.
Yeah, I
Your
always.
vehicle smells very strongly of alcohol.
Shocker.
You have a difficult time doing
I have injuries.
divided attention tasks. Go ahead and
I
write in your
have
stance.
No.
Write in your stance, ma'am.
No. No, let go of me. No, let go of me. What are you watching? YouTube, are you honest?
Don't watch you. Okay, don't touch my fingers. Don't grab me in any way.
And don't touch
Okay.
me in any way.
You don't have a choice, right? Look straight ahead at the camera.
I will be damned.
My thumb towards you, and my palm facing away from you.
Fucking
Did you
fight.
just try to bite?
Yeah, I did. F you.
Jesus Christ.
What?
Go this way.
You guys are f***ing assholes. No wonder nobody in Portland can f***ing trust you.
Go ahead and take a seat, ma'am.
I will be damned.
Take a seat.
Take these off
Take
of
a
me.
seat.
Take these off of me
Take a
before I
seat.
make myself bleed.
Ma'am, take a seat.
No,
Okay, we're going to have to take you in then.
I'm not taking a seat. I want to f***ing discuss this. Get away from me.
Stop.
No, get away from me.
see your glasses.
Don't, no, I need my glasses. I can't hardly see without my glasses. I need my glasses.
Ma'am, those are shades.
No, no, no.
Now, please, stop.
I have to scratch my nose. Don't.
I'm scratching your
No,
nose.
don't touch me with that.
I'm gonna scratch your nose.
No.
The incident ended with the woman being taken into custody after field sobriety testing and further investigation. According to authorities, she was booked into jail and faced charges that included DWI, battery on an officer, disorderly intoxication, and possession of an open container. If you think you know exactly where this encounter changed direction, let us know in the comments. And for more real body cam footage and police encounters, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode of Bodycam Originals.